This is my 2001 Goldwing 1800. Had it for about a week now. Finally got warmed up enough. I put about 40 miles on it the other day. More I ride it, the more comfortable I get with it. I guess I was just letting the size of it intimidate me a little bit. I got out on the highway about 70, kicked back on the highway pegs, and man, this bike rides so good, so smooth. Acceleration will surprise the hell out of you. I know people call these the old people bikes. So I'm gonna tell you right now, this thing will lay you in the seat if you get on it too hard. I really have getting to really love this bike. My last bike was a V-Star 1100, and that bike would cook my legs by going more than like an hour or two riding it. I never felt any heat off of this the other day. It was nice, smooth, comfortable. Man, it rides like a Cadillac, I guess. That's what most people say, and I believe it. I'll probably get out here in a little while and go for a ride. But yeah, I really love this bike. This bike is really cool. I got a helmet. I bought a helmet that's got the Bluetooth in it. The first time I ever had that either. That's pretty cool. Since my radio don't work through the speakers, I just listen to it through my helmet. But I filled it up. I think it took about $5 to fill it up. I don't know about this windshield though. That's probably my only complaint against this windshield, because I think it's an aftermarket. It is really big, and I'm always hitting my helmet on it. So I'm like 6'4", and yeah, I hit my helmet on the windshield a lot. That's about my only complaint. I'll probably change the windshield on it. But yeah,